If you want to make something quick for lunch or dinner, this is the perfect recipe. Rinse one chayote clean and then cut it into quarters and remove the pit, or actually the seed that's in the middle. If you've never had chayote before, you should give it a try. I would describe it as something between an apple and a pear, but not as sweet. I like stir-frying chayote for the crunchy texture as well as the slight sweet flavor that it has. To make it easier to stir-fry, we're going to julienne the chayote. Add 4 to 5 eggs to a mixing bowl. To make the eggs smooth and fluffy, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of oil. Then add 1 pinch of salt and 1 pinch of black pepper. Next, you will need to add 1 tablespoon of milk. Whisk everything together well and your eggs will be fluffy and smooth and delicious. Add 1 tablespoon of oil to the pan on high heat. Then add your chayote and saute. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and saute. Now this is based on your personal preference, so you can add a little bit more or a little bit less salt. When the chayote starts to slightly golden, add the egg mixture to the pan. Slowly stir and fold the egg and the chayote together. The most important thing is to remember not to overcook the eggs. When you notice that the eggs are 70% cooked, turn off the heat and the remaining heat on the pan will finish cooking off your eggs. I like my eggs to be slightly undercooked when I plate it, as I know that it'll continue cooking on the plate. The reason I like to do this is because I like my eggs to be nice and smooth. When you overcook the egg, it becomes dry and rough. This is completely optional, but I like to sprinkle it with toasted sesame seeds and dry parsley flakes. I paired this recipe with my air fryer macro recipe for a quick, simple, and healthy lunch.